sketch environment in PTC Creo software, first click and select a standard datum plane in model tree. Or in graphic window, also you can select planar face of a 3D model, OK. For example in graphic window. Click on top plane, find it and finish, OK. Now you can see the shortcut menu icons that appeared. On the list, find the sketch command, also after selection your desired datum plane. Find and run the sketch command in ribbon, it's here, in datum area, and its shortcut is S button. OK, do it and run the sketch command. As you see the ribbon commands is changed, in Sketch tab. And now you are in Sketch environment, here is OK and cancel, to exit the Sketch environment. And then, to adjust your view orientation, in Graphic toolbar, find and run the Sketch View command. Orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen, as you see your current sketch added to the model tree. To do better, hide the top datum plane from model tree, right-click and do it, OK, it's very good. In Sketch environment, we have 4 main categories. First is sketching commands, here in ribbon. And next is editing, its commands is here. Next is constraint, its commands is here, and dimension. OK, it's very good. Start the job with sketching commands. First command is line chain, run it and click on desired location on graphic window, OK. Now move the mouse and see the line, move it more and more. Now click and finish the first line. Again move the mouse cursor, try to do it and test it more and more, it's very simple. And note to this green signs, this is horizontal, very good, vertical, and perpendicular, OK, very good. Again move the mouse and now you click and finish the next line, OK, test it more and more. And this green sign is parallel, OK, we will explain its signs and relations later, in next video tutorials. OK, press escape button and finish it, OK, it's very good, test it more and try to do it. Good. As you see the dimensions and relations are created automatically, OK, in graphic toolbar commands. Find the sketcher display filters, you can see the list, temporary uncheck the dimensions display. OK, it's very good. The next command is line tangent, draw 2 circles in optionally positions. Try to do it and complete the job. OK, it's very good. Now run the command, and first click here. OK, move the mouse and see the line. Now click on this circle and finish the tangent line. OK, good. Again run the command and test it in other different positions. Try to do it and complete the job. And finish it. Now you can see the relations. Again in graphic toolbar, you can hide the constraint display. Next command is corner rectangle. Click and run the command and now in graphic window, first click. And then move the mouse cursor, you can see the result rectangle, move it more and Finally click in other position and finish the command. OK. It's very simple. Test it yourself more and more. Next is slanted rectangle. Again click to start, then move the mouse cursor and make a line in angle. Click and finish. Again move the mouse and see the result rectangle in your desired angle. OK. Good. The next command is center rectangle. Click to start. This is the center of rectangle. Now move the mouse. Move it in X direction and Y direction, and see the result center rectangle. This is very important and useful command. OK. It's very good. And the last one is parallelogram. Click and run the command. First click on optionally point to start creating a line. Move the mouse. Move it in different angles. Click to finish. Again move the mouse, and see the parallelogram. This is very simple and important command. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. It's very good. Next command is create circle with center and point. Click and run the command. OK. Click to start. This is center of circle. Then move the mouse and see the preview of circle. Click and finish the command. This is very simple. Very good. Next command is concentric. Click and run the command. Now. In graphic window, click on circle, and then move the mouse. You can see the concentric circle. This command can be very useful. OK. Very good. Next command is circle with 3 point. OK. In graphic window, it's enough to click on 3 different points to do it. Try to do it and finish the circle. Test it on other different points. OK. It's very good. And the last one is 3 tangent. In graphic window, click and select this 3 lines from different rectangles, and you can see the result tangent circle. Next command is arc 3 point / tangent end. Run the command and then, first click here. OK. Good. And then click here. Now move the mouse. You can click on this side of rectangle, and see the arc. The result arc is tangent to the rectangle, or move the mouse and keep it on circle. Very good. Again you can see the arc preview in tangent of circle. OK. It's very important. Finish it. Very good. Next command is center and end. Click to start. This point is center of arc. Then move the mouse. And determine the radius of arc. And simultaneous specify the start point of arc. OK. Click. Now move the mouse and specify the end point of arc. Try to do it and complete the job. Very good. Next command is arc 3 tangent. Again click on this rectangle, then click on this circle, and then move the mouse on this line, and the result curve is created tangent to this 3 objects. Very good. Next command is arc concentric. First click on this circle, then move the mouse, specify the arc radius, and simultaneous specify the start point of arc, then move the mouse to desired location end. Click to finish the arc. OK. It's very good. And the last one is conic. First draw a center line. Do it by clicking on start point of line and end point, then move the mouse cursor. And you can see the conic preview. Click to do and finish the conic creation. OK. It's very good. Next command is axis and ellipse. First click on graphic window and then move the mouse. You can see the preview line. This is first radius of ellipse. Click and finish it, and then move the mouse. And specify the second radius of ellipse. Move it and finish the ellipse creation. OK. It's very good. Next command is center and axis ellipse. First click on graphic window to specify the center of ellipse. Then move the mouse and specify the first radius. Again move it and specify second radius of ellipse. This is very simple, and the next command is spline. It's enough to create points respectively. As you see the spline is created, try to do it and test the command more and more. OK. It's very good. Next command is circular. Run it and then select 2 objects. First test it on this rectangle. Very good. And then select this other lines here. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. It's very good. To change its dimensions and radius, active the dimension display. It is here. It was explained before. OK. Very good. Next command is circular trim. Run the command and test it on this 2 lines. And see the difference between these 2 commands. OK. It's very good. Also you can test this command to this other lines with different angles. Test it and see the results. OK. Next command is elliptical. Run the command and test it on this 2 lines. Very good. Also you can active the dimensions display and changes its dimensions. OK. It's very good. And next is elliptical trim. Try to do it and test it yourself more and more. OK. It's very good. Next command is chamfer. Run it, and then test it on the rectangle. Also you can change its dimensions. It was explained before, and test it on this other lines, and see the new results. OK. It's very good. Try to do it and complete the job. Good. Next command is chamfer trim. Test it again and see the result. Next command is text. Create text as a part of a sketch. Run the command and select start point end. Endpoint in graphic window. Now you can see the text dialog box. OK. It's very good. Enter text. Write your desired text. www.AutoCAD.com. OK. It's very good. In bottom of dialog box. Active the place along curve check box. And in graphic window, select this line. OK. It's very good. Now in option, change the aspect ratio, slant angle, and spacing sliders, and see the results. OK. It's very good. Again deactive and active the check box, and this time select this curve. OK. Now you can see the new text that placed on curve. OK the command. It's very good. Next command is center line and center line tangent. This command's exactly similar to line chain and line tangent commands. Test this commands yourself and no need to explain again. Good. Next command is point. Run it and click on everywhere in graphic window to create a new point. It's very simple. Try to do it and test yourself. Very good. Next command is coordinate system. Similar to point command. Click on everywhere in graphic window and do it. Test it more and more. OK. It's very good. Here is construction mode. By default is deactive. Change the mode for creating a new entity. Click on command and active it. OK. It's very good. Now draw many different commands such as line, circle, rectangle and etc. Do it and start to create. As you see, all drawing entities are in construction mode. Try to do it and complete the job. Very good. Test it more and more by other different drawing commands. Good. And again deactive the command. OK. It's very good. And the next command is palette. Run the command and in dialog box. You can see the four main tabs: polygons, profiles, shapes and stars, in polygon. Click on every palette to see its preview, test them and check its shapes. OK. It's very good. Also check the profiles, C profile, I profile, L and T profile. OK. It's very good. Now check the shapes. Arc racetrack, cross, oval, racetrack, rounded rectangle, wave 1 and wave 2. OK. It's very good. And stars. Check its shapes and see all of them. OK. It's very good. To make your desired palette, double-click on it, or drag and drop it on graphic window. You can see the desired palette. Very good. You can rotate it, scale it, and move its location. To apply it, press the middle button of the mouse. Next command is offset. Run it and then, in type, first is single. Click on this spline. OK. Very good. Enter offset in the direction of the arrow. You can see this arrow in graphic window. OK. Write your desired offset value, positive value and negative value. Test both of them. OK. It's very good. For example, test 10 mm in positive value and negative value. OK. Very good. Next type is chain. Select it. Then in graphic window select this line and this circular, and accept this selection, OK. Again test it by write your desired offset value, test it and see the result, OK, and next type is loop. Choose it, and then only select one of rectangle lines, and write your desired value, 20 in negative. And see the loop type, OK, it's very good, and the next command is thicken, run the command. And in type, first type is open, select this single line, enter thickness, for example 5 mm, OK. And then enter offset in the direction, write 10 mm, and see the results, back again. And in end caps, select flat, again select single line, and repeat this operations, OK, it's very good. Select 5 mm, and 10 mm, try to do it and complete the job, OK, it's very good, back again. And test it for circular end cap type, OK. OK, the next command is project. We have a 3D model that created before, a cylinder. And now we are in sketch environment, it's the sketch plane. We want to project the boundary curves of this cylinder to our sketch plane, OK, run the command. In type, there are single, chain and loop. Select the boundary curve of cylinder and then you can see the projected curve that placed on my sketch plane. It's very powerful and important command.